Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you a very simple trick on how to make a clipping mask work. So a clipping mask is just like, all this kind of profile picture that people do, that they will put a picture inside the circle like this. Yeah, all those kind of things. I'll show you how to do that in Photoshop with just 2 clicks. Yes, 2 clicks, you heard me right. So without much further ado, let's jump right into today's video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So before we jump to describe my system, if you are new here, I want you to please subscribe. I want you to turn on the notification icon so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it, so you can watch it on time. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want you to please share, comment, and like. So without much further ado, let me show you.
So after opening up your Photoshop, the first thing you want to do is come to your ellipse here, then draw it out like that. Then you can place it somewhere at the middle. Then you go to where your picture is, you can click and drag and import your picture just like that. Then you want to make sure that your picture layer is right on top of your ellipse layer, and you can just move it to the center a little bit. Then the next thing you do is just to click on your picture layer, then come to create layer mask here like this. Just click it, and then automatically your picture will be clipped into the circle that is right below your picture layer. So you can just give this your ellipse a little stroke so that you can demarcate a little bit where the circle is, just like that. Same thing if you want to do it for a rectangle. Let's get rid of this circle, then come to your rectangle to draw it out like that. Then again, make sure your picture layer is staying on top of your rectangle layer. Then just right click on your picture layer, then come to create clipping mask here, and then automatically it will be created for you. And give your rectangle a little stroke as well, like we did earlier, just to demarcate. So that's how it is. That's how it is done in Photoshop. Very simple and straightforward. So I guess you might be needing something like this for your next project or for your next design. So it's just as simple as this. So follow me for more. If you are not subscribed yet, I want you to do so, and I want you to click the notification icon so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it, so that you can check it out. And make sure you also share this video to everybody so that they can also learn all these small stuffs.
So I hope you have learned how to do that. So in 2 simple clicks, you are done. So you can even monetize that and do that for people, and they will pay you. You will collect their money just for doing that. Yeah, trust me, some people are really in need of that. So, and if you have anything like a video request or a tutorial request or anything like that you want me to make a video on, please drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I do justice to that. I'll show you, I'll answer your questions, stuff like that. So thank you. So I guess that's the end of today's video, but I want to put out an important information for you guys. I'll be dropping all these kind of short videos in subsequent times. I tend to believe that this kind of short videos tends to gain more attention of people other than all these long videos. So the videos I'll be dropping will be, most of them will be short videos, so that within 2 to 3 minutes you have learned a new thing. And like I always say, never stop creating. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.